Yes. Now one more important confusion which students get is same thing the way I have written versus. So I mean that both of them are not same terms. So power versus authority, very simple. In the beginning of this class only we have seen something called as social legitimacy, which is accepted by many people of the society. Yes, so power in the sense you need not have the consent of people, no need of consent, whereas authority, what is authority then? Authority is the legitimate power accepted by the people. So power in the sense, just because you are in power, just because you have some power, you are forcing it on people. Power is most often taken in negative connotation in sociological lens. Because not all powerful people are genuine, not all powerful people are justifying the lives of the people. That is why we keep on saying, if you clear your civil services and if you get power, you should use that power in serving the society. There is difference between becoming a powerful person and not serving the society, but only being your own self, whereas other aspect of being powerful and serving the society. So civil services applies to the second segment, where having power and authority, it is a legitimate power accepted by all. Understood? For example, you take any a criminal person who is becoming the MLA of your place. He has had other criminal records before. Okay? So now he has power. He doesn't need the consent of the people in his actions. He'll just say something that should be done in his area, that is done. He doesn't need the consent. But what is authority? Authority comes from acceptance, A to A. Authority comes from acceptance. So people should accept you. People should accept you as a powerful person. Only then power will be called as authority. For example, you take a judge. Okay, you see many cases happening on daily basis in high courts and supreme courts, right? But when a judge orders something, people will obey, yes or no, because he is not forcing it on them. That is authority with legitimacy, with legal legitimacy, that he is ordering something to happen. So the example of a criminal who turned into an MLA versus judge. So that is power versus legitimate power, and legitimate power is called as authority. Clear everybody? So this is the difference in sociology specifically. I'll show you the image. See here. Authority, formal position in the organization. So it is legitimate. Everybody is accepting that that particular person is superior and your boss. Everybody should respect him. That is authority through legitimate means. Whereas when you take power, you are forcing your ideas on somebody, you are influencing somebody. That is power. You don't need their consent at all. You are just saying this should happen, it should happen. So from now onwards, whenever you use the terms of power and authority, just think if it is legitimate or forceful. If it is forceful and without consent, it is power. If it is legitimate, it is authority.